showing you how to add your business to the Guaplist website. And this will be the centralized website for all the merchants that will be accepting Guapcoin as payment. So let's go ahead and get started. So at the top right here, you're going to click this Add Business button. And so now you're going to pretty much add your business name. I'm going to just put test for now. And if you sell a particular service or in a particular industry or anything like that, you're welcome to just put hyphen and then type in, your service and so on and so forth. Whether it's like, doing locks, you run a massage business or anything like that. You're welcome to put that hyphen sub service next to your business name. I'm going to skip this Guap wallet address because I want to come back to that towards the end of the video here. And if you have a brick and mortar business, definitely feel free to add the address, and Google Maps will go ahead and fill that in for you with no problems. And this here, you're welcome to follow this format with http:// and then your website. Now, if you have a SSL certificate, you want to make sure that you put S at the end of the HTTPS, so that way your website is secured, especially for any of you who maybe running an online store on Shopify or anything like that. Now, if you don't know if you have an SSL certificate or not, you're welcome to just put www. That works just fine. It's optional to put your phone number as well as using your WhatsApp number for any of our international merchants. And then go ahead and select the category, since this is mandatory in order for you to complete the process here. Add the price. Again, this is optional. You don't have to fill all this out. And same thing with your business hours. This is definitely vitally important for those of you who do run a brick and mortar business, or for anyone who does run their business full time. Definitely please give us your business hours so people know when you're open. Your social media accounts. We have Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. You're welcome to add any of these. Let's just use Instagram, for example. And so you're just going to put the link to your Instagram account. So that could just simply be www.instagram.com/ and then your username, right? Whatever that may be on Instagram. And then, of course, if you want to use, add another social media account, you just hit this blue button, and then you just select the whatever social media profile that you would like to use. And then you can just follow the same process that you did for Instagram. Definitely feel free to add any frequently asked questions, so that way that gets the process more smoothly for your customers and as you as a business owner. I'll show you how this looks in just a few moments. And then if you want to add any more descriptions either about you, the business owner, or you and your business, of how long you've been in business, and things that you're offering to the market, you definitely want to put that here. And of course with keywords, this would help with the search engine part on this website. So if you are a graphic designer, you would just say graphics, or if you're a videographer, you can just type that in as well. Or if you're a chef or food, so if you're anyone that's running a restaurant business, you're welcome to do it just exactly like that. And so you are welcome to put a YouTube video here, which will be featured on your listing as well. Now, if you don't know how to get this particular link, make sure you use this exact link, because any other format will not work. If you don't know how to find this link, just simply go to your YouTube channel, and then I will go to it now here. So like here I am on the Guapcoin official channel. I'm going to share this video by clicking this here. And then that's how you find this link. And you can really just hit the copy button, click back over, another right click, and you're done. Now for images, you're welcome to add images, especially if you do hair, you do makeup, or anything like that. You are welcome to add images. To my knowledge, the max you can update or upload to the site is 6 images. If you're going to use a GIF image, at best only use 1. You don't want to add any more than that. But then as for your featured image, definitely want to put your company logo right here, or any of the or a popular dish. If you're like a bakery or a restaurant or anything in the food industry, because the image that's uploaded for a featured image it's going to show up here, right? Now, preferably, for the sake of making sure your logo doesn't get cut, keep it to a size of 372 by 240, or 372 in width and 240 pixels in height. But if your logo is pretty simple, it'll scale down, and so on and so forth. So, but if you want to get the exact dimensions to make sure your logo isn't cut or anything like that, just feel free to use those dimensions there. And you don't have to put in the upload business logo. You can leave this one blank, but it is mandatory that you add an email here to make sure that your notification listings will get approved, because we would definitely automatically tell you of when your listing got approved, and that way in future reference you will have a login to the site. So that way, in case you want to update your listing of any of this information here, you will be able to do so, but we will shoot that in another video. Now, back to the Guap wallet address here. If you're like a small business where you just only offer one or a few products, or for example, you do run a business but you can only offer Guapcoin to be bought, you can only offer one product that can be bought with your Guapcoins, yes, definitely please put your Guap address here, so that way people can just send Guapcoins directly to you, and then you can actually just put in the business description here, just saying, please send 80 Guapcoins for necklace product, right? So that way when people see this, they'll say, okay, I'll just grab this, Guap address here, and actually I'll just grab one now, and then of course your Guap address is going to look something like this, and then this will appear in your listing as well, and then that way, should anyone want to just go ahead and pay you on your computer, they literally have to do is just copy this link, or copy this Guap address here, put it in their desktop wallet, and send you the money, and then you're good to go. Other than that, once you're squared away, you can just pretty much hit, in this case here, I'm just going to put Jerome at guapfoundation.org. And then there you go. You're going to get this notification, and you're going to be good to go. And then it will generate a preview of what your listing would look like. So there's our Guap address here, along with the brief product description or description of the business. And then I actually didn't put in the website here, but there's your directions, and of course the video that people can play right here from the listing itself. That way they don't have to navigate away from the site, and you will get this contact information here. And so a fully listing here, I'll show you an example. So literally I have my videos here, where any of the logo designs that I have and so on and so forth, you can just play them here, all my frequently asked questions, and so on and so forth. Now the reason why I didn't put my Guap address here, because I actually have an actual store where you can go and view all the animations there, and I'll be handling the transactions there. Which is why I did the Guap address later in the video, because for those of you who use Shopify and you incorporated coin payments into your payment processing method the same way I did, if you have Guapcoin set up through coin payments, you don't have to put your Guap address. That wouldn't be needed, because they can just handle the because coin payments will handle all of that on the back end when people are making a purchase on your website. Other than that, that pretty much is it. And then, oh no, it's not. And when you submitted your listing to Guaplist, you will get a email from Guaplist looking like this. Again, you'll be able to preview it like you did before, and then pretty much you will just wait until your listing got approved. And yes, you will get a follow-up email when your business listing has been approved. And when your listing has been approved, you'll get another email that looks exactly like this, saying in the subject line, your listing has been approved, and it'll give you the actual dedicated link to your listing, and then you'll be able to click it just fine with no problems, and then it'll take you to the live listing. And then, oh, I forgot, when you add your social media links, it'll appear right below your website, just like this here, along with, the links to all your social media accounts. Other than that, that is pretty much it for this tutorial video, and we'll upload more with the how to use this website moving forward in terms of claiming your list, as well as how to edit it even after your listing has gone live. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.